Welcome to lab number 7. This week we're going to study chemical energy. You may have done this a long time ago, or maybe even recently. We're going to build batteries by using the items we sent you in the kit and some easy to find household items you have around. From the kit, you're going to want the aluminum foil. You're going to want the bag that included the pennies, the washers. We use those washers in the heat capacity lab. And there's 5 nails. They're all different colors. We have some cardboard we provided. If you can't find it, or if you use it for something else, you can use paper that's a little too thin. You might have to fold it over. The cardboard that comes from an Amazon box would be a little bit too thick, so if you have, this would be cardstock. If you have some, you can use it. We're going to want the LEDs, so they're in a bag that has a little motor and generator. The LEDs look like this, and we'll talk more about those in the appropriate lab. You're going to want the sandpaper. You may not need to use this, but it's good to have around. You want a couple of the wires so we can do some clamping. You're going to want your voltmeter. What you need to provide from home is some kind of medium to carry the electricity and to generate the chemical reaction. You can use potatoes. You can use a lemon. A lemon will often give you a better result, or any acidic fruit. A lime would work, an orange, something like that. You want it to be of some size because we're going to want to do some position distance measurements on our lemon. If you use a lemon, you may not need vinegar, but if you use the potato, you will need some vinegar, or better yet, if you have some white vinegar around, that's great. You do want to use white instead of, say, apple cider or some other vinegars. We're trying to get something that has a little bit of acidity to it, and white vinegar has some of the highest acidity. You don't need very much. I have a lot more than I need. And then you'll need a scissors or a knife or something to be able to cut the cardboard. So that's the stuff you need for today's lab. Go ahead and get it together.